Hey everybody, it's Jason, and today we are going to do the unboxing and quick review of the Celine Trio bag. So let's go ahead and open up the bag. So as you would expect, it's a nice little dust bag. So one interesting thing before I open it up that I'll point out is that this is the dust bag has the old Celine logo with the little apostrophe over the E, whereas the actual shopping bag has the newer style Celine logo without the apostrophe. So I find that's interesting. And here is the Trio bag. So this is the smaller size. They have a larger one, which is about 1 inch wider. Lucia is getting this for a travel bag, so we decided to go for the smaller size in the burgundy color. So it's a nice soft leather, nice soft feel to it. You see Celine Paris right here in the front. Nice little strap. So the strap is adjustable. As you can see here, I can just pop it out of its position and adjust it as needed. It is not removable, but it is adjustable. So 3 compartments, hence the name Trio. Each one is pretty spacious, so you can definitely fit a wallet, a passport, cell phone, card case, etc. in each one. Show you the middle one. And finally the end one. They're all the same. And the really neat thing about this bag is that these compartments detach from each other. So if you don't want to have 3 compartments, but just want to say have 2, you can simply detach. And now you have a 2 compartment bag. And the other thing you can do is put these 2 end ones together. Now you have a little clutch. So it really is like 3 bags in one. And you have to use quite a bit of force to actually detach these. So I'm pretty confident that this won't come off accidentally. You really have to intentionally want to separate these and really have that intention to take the different compartments off. So it's definitely really sturdy, and I'm not really too concerned about the compartments just coming off accidentally. Let's put these back together. And really it's like 3 bags in one. So it's a pretty interesting bag, and I'm certainly excited to have Lucia try it out on her upcoming trip to Atlanta. So that is the Celine Trio in burgundy. In the smaller size, again, the larger size is about 1 inch wider. So if you do want something a little bit wider, you can go for the larger size. The smaller size retails for approximately $1,400 Canadian. So certainly seems like it's a pretty good value for the bag, and with the zippered compartment, it's not really going to open accidentally. So definitely great for travel. You don't have to worry about things accidentally falling out of the bag, for instance. So we're definitely excited to give it a shot. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time.